Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and super simple recipe that's called potato fritters but made in a very different way. Now the ingredients to make the potato fritters or aloo ke pakode are potatoes finely sliced, some salt, pepper, this is thyme, some chili flakes, sesame seeds, oregano and some cilantro that I'll be using at the end, and a cup of rice flour. And the other thing is water to make the batter. Now let's make the batter for this potato fritters. So first goes in the rice flour. After adding the rice flour, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients, salt, pepper, thyme. So these are the Italian seasonings and Italian ingredients that I'm using. So that's why I said it's a different kind of a potato fritter. It's mostly like an Italian fritter. So chili flakes, oregano, and the sesame seeds. Now I'm going to add some water to this and mix everything together. The consistency of this batter has to be of a medium consistency. It doesn't have to be really thick or very thin. And this rice flour is the one that's going to make our potato fritters really crunchy. And our batter is now ready. And our oil has been heating and we're going to dip these potatoes in this batter and fry them. And we're going to get really crunchy potato fritters. So this is our batter and our sliced potatoes that are thinly sliced. And now I'm going to dip each potato in this batter and just deep fry it. Our potato fritters have fried and I'm going to take it out on this paper towel to remove the excess oil. And now I'm going to fry some more of these potatoes. Okay, now these are our crunchy potato fritters and I'm going to sprinkle some cilantro. This is the dried cilantro just for garnishing. So it looks beautiful. And now just check out our crunchy potato fritters and you can hear the sound. It's really crisp and very delicious with all these Italian ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this delicious crunchy potato fritters recipe made in a different style. And if you did, do like, share, subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and for more videos tune in. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.